Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study interesting vocabulary in English. Neat freak. Jack and Pete live together, and they're looking for a new roommate. Jack thinks he has someone in mind. Have you met Sarah? What do you think of her? She'd be perfect. Why? Is she anything like Beth? Beth was such a messy and disorganized person. I don't think I could handle it. No, she's the complete opposite of Beth. Sarah is a neat freak. Oh, that's amazing! She sounds like a perfect candidate. But you have to know, she's a little crazy. She vacuums twice a day and organizes her clothes by color. Wow, that's extreme. But it's definitely better to be neat than to be messy. Quiz time. What does neat freak mean? A person who is a little strange? A person who is a freak? Someone who buys vacuums? A person who is very organized? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D. A person who is very organized. Teaching moment. Jack told Pete that Sarah would be a perfect roommate, and Pete mentioned that the last roommate was messy and disorganized. Jack said that the new girl is the opposite. He said she's a neat freak. A neat freak is a person who is very clean and organized all the time. Examples. Mark is such a neat freak. He spends hours every day cleaning and organizing his office, even though it's already clean and tidy. Sarah's roommates complain that she's a neat freak because she insists on cleaning up every little thing, even if it's not bothering anyone else. Vocabulary extras. To have someone in mind. To think of someone for your intention. To handle something. To manage something. Neat. To be clean and organized. A freak. A person who is abnormal. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.